It's my new camera I got. Just testing it out. See if it looks good. Tell me if you guys like it. It has really good quality. It's the camera box. It's what's the name of it? There we go. Focus. Schneider Kreuznach or whatever that says. There we go. Blah, blah, blah. Full HD. Nice. Yeah, Schneider Kreuznach, and then there goes the version right there. Focus. HMX-H300. Yeah. Looks pretty good so far. Especially in the light. See if I turn that brightness down. No. Yeah, it's really good with light. See my other camera before. If I did that, the room would have looked brighter, and so would the screen. Now it's really good with light. So.